Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to set your Spotify song as ringtone. So the first step you need to do is to open Spotify and make sure it is updated to the latest version. Once you open Spotify, you need to go onto your library and then select any one of the preferred songs. So let me select one from my offline playlist. As you can see that I selected a song. So once you have selected a song, you simply need to tap on the three dots. Now, a menu will slide up. Here you can scroll down and you can see that there is an option to add to sleep timer. So you can set this song as your sleep timer whenever you want to. But if you want to set this as your ringtone, you simply need to download that song first with the premium of Spotify. And once that song is in your phone library, you can simply set it as your ringtone. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.